If you've ever wondered how to create a professional-looking website, it's actually very simple. Hello, my name is Michael Clautice, and I am going to demonstrate how to create a website for the internet using a software application called Adobe Photoshop. All websites are made up of programming code called HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. My first experiences in designing a website involved the use of HTML code. It was a very time-consuming process of translating a sketch of a design to HTML code. The time spent involved referring to books like this and typing the code, which resulted in a website with very limited design features. My next experience involved the use of an application called Macromedia Dreamweaver. Macromedia Dreamweaver creates a website design structure visually, while the code was automatically created in the background, thus skipping the tedious process of entering code by hand. My current experience involves a more streamlined process using Photoshop's extensive design features. Photoshop offers more design options than HTML or even Dreamweaver, and creating the HTML code is more efficient than entering the HTML code from the keyboard. Now I will show you how to create a website using Adobe Photoshop. Creating a website using Photoshop involves 4 basic steps. The first step is to sketch your layout using pencil and paper. Second step is to create the design in Photoshop. Third step is to prepare the Photoshop image for HTML. And the fourth step is to save the Photoshop file as an HTML file. Here is a rough sketch of a website layout with pencil and paper. Keep the layout to an 11 by 8 inch scale, which will work for the average size monitor, like that. Keep the layout design consistent if there are multiple pages within the same site. With the sketch finished, create a design in Photoshop based on your sketch, like that. When the Photoshop image design is finished, open it up in ImageReady. ImageReady is a Photoshop feature for creating website images from your Photoshop image. Use ImageReady's Slice tool to break up the Photoshop image into sections that can be used like link buttons that will link to other areas within your website or anywhere outside to other websites. The next step is to optimize each sliced section for image quality and file size. The following, a small file size will benefit in faster downloads. Use ImageReady's preview feature to view in a browser. Save the Photoshop ImageReady file as an HTML file. Open the HTML file in Dreamweaver to edit code if needed. So with the final Photoshop image converted to HTML, you are ready to upload it to a web hosting service so it will be accessible to anyone who needs to look at it. So in summary, this process allows the author to take advantage of Photoshop's design features and avoid the tedious task of entering HTML code by hand. Thank you.